Hello guys, welcome back. Till the last session, we have seen couple of examples on a predicate, and as part of the today's session, we are going to cover another predefined functional interface that comes in a JDK 8, which is there as part of a Java utils function, which is a by predicate functional interface. See, almost I can see the comparisons between predicate and a by predicate. Both are one and the same. The only difference is predicate accept only one argument, whereas the by predicate accepts by two arguments. Basically, the by predicate is going to accept two arguments, and moreover the usage of this by predicate is one and the same, which is to verify certain conditions based on two inputs that you are providing. The predicate based on a one input you have a provided, it's going to validate that condition. The same way here, the by predicate is going to work on two different inputs that the user is providing, and based on that it will verify the condition, and of course the return type itself is a boolean value. So other than passing down the two arguments, the abstract method of whatever we have is test itself. Whereas in a predicate for a test, we passed only one argument. Okay, for a predicate test, we passed only one input data. Whereas for this by predicate, we are going to pass just two inputs data. And other than that, everything is one and the same. We have the default methods end, or, and a negate for this particular predicate, which is a by predicate, and we don't have any static methods for this by predicate. That's it. On a single node, I can say both the predicate and a by predicate are almost one and the same. The only difference is a predicate is going to accept a single argument, whereas the by predicate is going to accept two inputs from the user and perform certain conditions on that. So I have created a new Java class here, and now my functional interface is a by predicate, and this time I'm going to work on two integer values. Okay, and again my by predicate name, I'm just giving it as a p, and now we need to pass on two arguments. So here, what is the predicate that I want to create is, okay, verify whether, verify, or else first of all, perform multiply operation on given numbers and check whether the multiplication outcome is even or not. Okay, that's so simple basically. So a comma b are the values that you need to pass. I'm just replacing it with a lambda expression, and a star b, which is going to multiply those two values, and a module by 2, which is equal to 0, if this is going to satisfy. So what are we going to do here, guys? We are passing a comma b as an input, and we are doing a multiplication of that particular numbers, and we are cross checking the module of this particular one is a 2 or not, to cross check whether the sum is an even or not. So p dot test method again, and this time for this test I need to pass two different numbers. So I just passed it, system.out.println p.test. Let me try to run my test script and see what is the outcome it's displaying. See, the outcome it is displaying as a 6. 2 into 3, it's a 6, and it's an even number. For suppose again I am passing a one more argument, set of arguments, 1 comma 3, and let me run my by predicate. See here, the second outcome we are getting it as a false itself. Perfect. So this is what the test abstract method that we have in a predicate. Now I am going to use the negate method, whatever we have in a by predicate. So what exactly the negate is going to do? What exactly the predicate is there? The quite opposite function the negate is going to do. The same way here, let me comment these two lines of a code, and here p dot negate of test, and here, okay, p dot negate of a test, and here I'm passing 1 comma 3 as an input. Usually I know 1 comma 3 outcome for this by predicate is a false. As I am using a negate, the outcome should come as a true. That's it. That's a simple point. Like the same way how I'm using this by predicate negate, the couple other options which we have is a n and r. We can use the same way how we have a used as a predicate. This is all about by predicate functional interface. Thank you.